Okay, so we're going to be cooking eggs. And if you're a kid and you're watching this, you're probably like, how do I make eggs? Oh, here is your answer. So I'm going to get a piece of butter. It's like about this big. Okay, and then put it on your pan. And first, ask an adult or a guardian if you can make your own food. They might say no, they might say yes. You don't know. So, okay, I will be just right back. I get my spatula, my trusty old spatula. Get that to medium. And get... Okay, so then you put your butter in it. You put it to medium. And then you add your butter melts on it. Oh, these are my other eggs that I made today. Ow. Damn it. God. Ow. Sorry. So I'm gonna smear the butter, the melted butter. And I'm gonna put the spatula over here. And I'm gonna there. Make sure there's no shell in there or anything. Okay? So, put that there. And then we're going to put it to high for a little bit. Okay. This is a singular egg. And break the yolk. Okay. It's already solidifying. That's nice. Make it into a taco shape. Ooh, bubbles! It's solidifying pretty fast. Now when it sizzles like this, you're going to want to put it to medium. Okay? Okay, so now you're going to want to wait for a little bit. It's solidifying already. It's almost done. See, this egg, alright, came from my farm eggs. They're very special to me, and they may be to you. Okay, so we're gonna have to wait for that little yolk to melt. Or solidify, you know. Okay. And yeah. We're just gonna sit here for a little bit. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna be flipping this egg. 3, 2, 1, flip. Okay, pretty good. We got a little snack. Okay. You're gonna want to press down. it's almost ready now, so I'm gonna go get. Yeah, okay. Got my fork. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna put that on my plate now. And put the spatula in the sink. And grab your container of butter. I just brought myself. And then put it back where it was. Okay. And then turn the stove off. Take your pan, your hot pan, put it in the sink. Okay, now I'm gonna take you guys over here. Oh yeah, my eggs are over here. I'm gonna be eating my food that I made. Come on, really? I have to get a fork. Those chickens are going crazy. Okay, so is something trying to attack them? Oh, their ladder fell down. That's why. Okay. You guys are down with me. Here, okay. Oh my gosh, that is good. I mean, it's better than the first eggs I made today. That's so good. Now, if you're hungry while watching this, you could have followed along and made the eggs, and you can go back to the start when I made this. And the process is really easy. It took me not even 10 minutes to make. Yeah. And yeah, it's just like that, man. These eggs are good. Very good. Okay. Okay, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like and a subscribe if you want more content like this. Okay, bye guys. See you in the next video.